This video will discuss both the plate result and the plate design diagrams in VisualFoundation. Let's get started. Both the plate result diagram dialog box and the plate design diagram dialog box are accessed by right-clicking in the appropriate graphic view or by clicking and dragging a slice through the slab to view the diagram in a particular slice direction and at a specific location. Note, the plate result diagrams are accessed from the Analysis Results view, whereas the plate design diagrams are accessed from the Foundation Design view. In both dialog boxes, we can modify the slice direction and the coordinate location if we want to view diagrams in the other direction or at a different location. Furthermore, we can choose the number of plots and which plots we want to view. In the plate result diagrams dialog box, 7 different plots are available. We can view plots for the bending moments in each direction, for the twisting moments, for the shear forces in each direction, for the bearing pressure, and for the deflection. One nice feature is that the chart settings persist. This allows us to exit the dialog box, make an adjustment to the model, or select a different result case and pick back up right where we left off. Switching to the Foundation Design view, we can launch the Plate Design Diagram dialog by slicing through the center of the slab in the global Y direction. In this dialog box, we see that 2 different plots are available, the shear unity and the area of steel required for the specific reinforcement direction and layer of reinforcement. In this case, for the bottom layer of X direction reinforcement, an area of steel of about 0.65 square inches per foot is required at the face of the column pier, which is located at a Y coordinate of a -6 inches. We can then easily switch the slice direction to the global X direction and set the Y coordinate to a -6 inches to get an idea of how fast the steel requirement tapers off for the X bars as we move away from the point load at the pier. This graph could, for example, help us determine where we want to terminate or transition the bottom X direction bars in the slab. If we want to include graphs in the report, we can use the Copy button, copy the plots to the clipboard, which we can then easily paste into the report. We hope both the plate result diagrams and the plate design diagrams help you use VisualFoundation to analyze and design your foundations more efficiently. Thanks for watching and have a great day.